Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel. In this video I'll show you how to pin app to home screen. In the beginning, let's go to the App Manager. To pin app, tap the app icon and select Pin. App is pinned. This keeps it in view until you unpin it. Touch and hold back and over view to unpin. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.